Hey Bisons, today we're gonna be doing another video. Well, I just started out of nowhere. Here. Hey guys, or hey Bisons, whatever. Today we're gonna be doing another video. Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing another video of Roblox Test Run. So let's get started. Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing another video of Roblox Test Run. So let's get to it. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Let's get to it. Wait, what's happening right now? Wait, what? Okay, let's get to it. Oh, we're here. Yay. Okay. Corrupted jungle. Lombardi. Lombardi! Not very funny. Okay, let's go. And put on. Just kidding. Wow, very smart. Oh wow, I suck at this game. I suck. Real bad. Real bad. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, I suck. Well, that's bad. Let's get on to... Okay, so we're back for the next round here. And we just have to wait 7 seconds. And yeah, 2, 1, and let's go. I better not die, because I suck at this game. Training course. But somebody wants something, I don't know the song, so why am I talking today? 1, go. Okay, I just needed to do something real quick. Wait, which one is this one? Oh, Windy Wind. Windy Wind, there's the button. Windy Wind, there's the button. Windy Wind. There's the button. Windy Wind. There's the button. Windy Wind, there's the button. Windy Wind. Oh wow! I suck at this game, like I said. I suck. Let's get on to the next round. That better be good. Okay, we're back for the next round. Oh, open our daily gift. Thanks for playing. Oh, 12 points. Not good. Okay. Okay, 12. Okay, we're back. We're back. So, we had a delay. With our recording. Sorry about that. We had a delay of recording. So, we need to beat these other people. Let's go. Wait, I think the spectator is dead. Not dead, but not here. Because she's not here. Oh, there's a dude all the way behind. That's sad. Well, I'm that dude. That's all the way behind. That's all the way behind. All the way behind. All the way behind. All the way behind. Oh, the way behind. No, please no. Please no, roll. Oh, yay, victory. I'm a winner. 12 points. Yay. I'm gonna see if I can buy anything, because I'm poor. Okay. Oh, I got 8, please. Can I buy anything? Oh, I can open the shop. Okay, can you get this out of my screen? Out of my face. Okay, open the shop. Let's go for weapons. 400. I only have 84. These are expensive. I thought I could get something. Oh, I can get these things. Oh, wow, that's sad. Okay, so Poison Sky Ruins. I think this one is new.
Like,
Mm.
where do you put it? Like,
Oh my god, I think this one is new. I think this one is new. Yeah, very new.
cheese.
Very new. Very new. Oh, okay. Oh! Oh! Wait. Am I trapped down here? Am I literally trapped down here? There's nothing to do but jump. Wow. They're torturing. They're mean. They're mean. This is sad. I have to. Suicide is not a joke. What was that? I was like ballerina. Thank you. Thank you. I am playing Roblox. Okay, guys. I think I am going to end it there. I will see you guys next time. Wait. No. Wait. I need to do one game of this. And then I will see you guys next time. Let's do one game of this. And then we're done. Damien is not here right now. He cannot record right now. But, yeah. Okay, so one round starting now. And then I will end the videos. Yes, you guys are probably Xing it out right now. Bye. Leave a like, subscribe. Turn post notifications. No one's probably watching this. Bye-bye.
Can you farm there?
Can you? Yes. No, Karen, no. Okay, I will see you guys.
Is that a game?
In the next video. Bye!